You've had enough of hearing about this brand new, fancy AI chatbot, and you want to use it for yourself. You are undoubtedly in for a treat, then. To learn how to use ChatGPT, keep reading. A relatively recent AI language model, ChatGPT, was made available by OpenAI toward the end of the previous year. The model has been in the news since it was first made available to the public because of its astronomical popularity. It is not surprising that the model's capabilities have astounded many users. This AI model is incredible. Recent accomplishments by ChatGPT include passing the Google coding test, passing the law school bar exam, and even writing homework for students. Who better to ask than ChatGPT itself for some ideas about what this model is capable of? What the chatbot said was as follows. There are many things you can do with ChatGPT, including text creation includes writing scripts, poems, and stories. Answer inquiries. Language translation. Recapitulate texts. General chit-chat. Creating original ideas. Therefore, watch the entire video if you want to learn new ways to use ChatGPT. How to write a cover letter using ChatGPT. As we all know, completing a job application requires a lot of time and effort. Why not have ChatGPT write your cover letter to expedite the process? Simply ask the bot to create a cover letter for you to accomplish this. To ensure that the letter is more suited to the position, be sure to include information about your experience and the job role. I'm done now. The AI bot will then quickly draft a fantastic letter for you. How to write a CV using ChatGPT. Fortunately, ChatGPT can assist you in creating a CV for a job application. This approach needs a little bit more work from your end. Just ask ChatGPT to create a CV to get things going. When you respond, the bot will inquire about your background in education, work history, and skills. Send in these specifics, then observe the miracle. The AI bot will begin producing a complete CV for you. How to effectively use ChatGPT. To make the most of ChatGPT, be aware of your goals before using the program. It will respond best to specific instructions, and if your request is a little hazy, it might prompt you for more information. Alternately, it might give evasive responses that contain data or specifics unrelated to your inquiry. In the end, the more details you include with your request, the more likely it is that you will receive a prompt response. How to use ChatGPT to review a piece of writing. With ChatGPT, summarizing an article is incredibly simple. Simply copy the article's text and type the prompt, "Summarize the text below," to get it to look at the text. This will give a succinct summary of the subject and information in the article. Type something like "Summarize the text below," putting the key points into a numbered or bullet point list to get more information about the main points. In this manner, you can extract the crucial lessons from the article that you require. How to utilize ChatGPT for work. Many business applications exist for ChatGPT. Working on your own company can help with tasks like drafting business plans and other documents necessary for the launch and operation of a company that would otherwise require a lot of time. You must register in order to use the ChatGPT API if you intend to use the technology in your company. How to write code using ChatGPT. It's best to avoid using ChatGPT to write code if you don't know how. It can generate code in languages like Python and C++, but you risk missing critical flaws and functionality if you are unfamiliar with these. Having said that, ChatGPT can explain and simplify code if you have some understanding. Simple prompts like "Explain the following code" or "What does this function do?" are all that are required. ChatGPT can be utilized to enhance, rewrite, and create test cases for code if you are a developer with programming knowledge. GPT chat restrictions. ChatGPT is an excellent tool, but before using it, you should be aware of some of its restrictions. ChatGPT can generate incorrect or nonsensical answers, according to OpenAI. It would be a good idea to sense-check the model's response if you do decide to use this tool to make sure there aren't any errors in it. Although we haven't yet encountered it, the model has the potential to occasionally produce biased and harmful content. Last but not least, ChatGPT knows very little about what will happen and what will be known after 2021. This is because of the data that the model was trained on, though we anticipate that this limitation will be fixed in upcoming models of the model. What is the ChatGPT login process? You can access ChatGPT using the same login information you use to access OpenAI's Playground or Labs. However, you will need to register for a new account on the OpenAI website if you don't already have one. OpenAI will prompt you to log in when attempting to access the conversational chatbot. The tool will only work, though, if it has been some time since you last used it. Simply go to the ChatGPT page and click Login or Sign Up, and the options should appear in the first window. Final reflections. So that's all there is to know to begin using ChatGPT. The only real challenge to using the AI model is OpenAI's capacity error. In recent news, OpenAI announced ChatGPT Plus, a paid subscription service for ChatGPT. The $20 monthly service offers subscribers exclusive advantages over non-subscribers. Benefits include priority access to the newest features, access even during busy periods, and quicker responses. If you frequently use ChatGPT, you might find this upgrade to be appealing.